Good afternoon. Today is September 28th, and we have had two and a half consecutive days of rain from the hurricane. And I have not even been watering since it's been doing that. I haven't watered in the greenhouse. But I want you to see what excessive moisture does for a fig. And like I said, I didn't even water. It's just moisture in the air. This is what it's doing to this Caldodom nori. So, never really. I'll be honest with you, I hadn't really come across this before because we ain't never had 2.5, 3 days worth of just constant blowing and raining. I watered right beforehand, probably, which I don't water these trees very much, but you can see the ground down there is wet, and look how far we are away from the base of the tree. We're at least 6 foot from the base of the tree. So I don't even water up close on these trees, and the whole base of it sprinkled with diatomaceous earth to help with the roly-poly damage. But yeah, this is what they do with excessive moisture in the air. It has nothing to do how much I've watered or haven't watered. This is what they do. We've been seeing a lot of splitting. You see in my pick bucket. I don't have none in my pick bucket, but we're just getting started picking, and like my black Madeiras yesterday all split out like Pac-Man. So and I noticed that Roboto is too. So yeah, this excessive moisture, even when you're in a greenhouse, can make figs do things they don't normally do. So just some food for thought about moisture and figs. Thanks for watching. Well, good afternoon. And it's September 30th. Finally quit raining after 3 days for a few minutes. I wanted to come out and look at the disastrous mess of the outside fig orchard to see if there was a whole lot of nasty figs out here, to kind of see what had happened. And we're gonna walk around here and see. There's not a whole lot on this one. Looks like the one right here fell off. Whew. Starting to get some mold on the bottom. Yeah, I think I'll just throw that nasty thing away. What's this look like? It's got water dripping off of it. But it's held up remarkably well. That ain't quite right. So we'll leave it. Let's walk on and see what we can find here. The plain field. Yeah, it's perfectly fine. Ooh, nope. Well, it split a little bit. Get some spots on it. A bit of mold. We'll see if we can salvage it. Let's go see what else we got. That one hasn't started to ripen yet. That one there's already ripened one crop early. This thing, it's amazing. The weather holds out. I've already had, I had figs off this thing a month ago, and then it's refruited. And I'm gonna tell you, I bet here in another week or two, Bit of fruit again. Trace of splice. Let's rumble on down through here and see what else we can find. It may look bad. I need to get out here and mow. Kind of hard. It's been raining quite a bit. Now, see nothing on that white side. Got to look around on the ground here. Don't look like. See, this is long yellow. Nothing looks too bad here. Got some starting to ripen on it. What about this one here? This LDA. I've been picking some figs off of it, but don't look like at the moment. Yeah, here's some over here starting to ripen, but I think it's oh yeah, we're good. Look at the fungus nets already got here getting on there. Crazy things. But it's starting to swell, but it ain't there, so the rain didn't bother it. Rumble on down here to Teramo. Oh, I see something. I see some nastiness going on here. Woo, yeah. Now them things split like crazy. Woo, we need to get rid of those. Another one. Yep, a disaster on Teramo. We'll come back after we get done videoing. Whew. I see him. Yeah, it's a splitting like crazy. I don't know how you say it here. I'll hold the name of it up. Yeah, it's just full of crap. Done off the charts. See what Ronde Bordeaux looks like. I was thinking I seen one on here that was ripening the other day, but I don't see one right at the moment. And I don't see nothing on the ground. So didn't lose nothing there. Here is. Before I say, this is Pingo de Mayo. It does good here. Ripens from dieback. It's a good honey fig. Here's my Osborne Prolific. It's starting to ripen. But no, we're good, just in time. The rain has stopped. So no splitting there. Well, that's all not too bad. We only had this little bit down here on the end. So we didn't lose too many out here. Get rid of these, throw them over the fence. Really want to eat this one. Looks like it's going to be some kind of honey sugar fig. Ugh, that was nasty. And another nasty one. Throw them out in the bush. Let the critters have them. Alright, well, that was what my outside orchard looked like after 3 days of straight rains. I'm sure everybody else's does too. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Now, on the other hand, if you got blackberries, you're happy to have all this rain. Because they're just prime right now. This one here looks like it's about done. Yep. So this one variety up here is definitely my best this year. And look how big that berry is. And they are delicious.